12 equals 52. Again, not a perfect square. Now, x squared plus 8x, leaving a blank, equals -3. Now, x squared plus half of 8x, half of 8 is 4, 4 squared is 16, add 16 to -3, and you get +13. So x plus 4 squared equals 13. Take the square root. X plus 4 equals plus or minus. Since 13 is not a square number, square root of 13. Break it into two equations. X plus 4 equals square root of 13. And x plus 4 equals negative square root of 13. So x equals -4 plus the square root of 13, or x equals -4 minus the square root of 13. The next one. X squared plus 5x, again leaving a blank, equals 2. Half of 5 is 5 halves, times 5 halves equals 25 fourths, plus 25 over 4. Add 25 over 4 here to here, and you get 33 over 4. Simplify this. X plus 5 halves squared equals 33 over 4. Take the square root of both sides. X plus 5 halves equals square root 33 over the square root of 4, which is 2. Plus or minus. So x plus 5 halves equals square root of 33 over 2, or x plus 5 halves equals negative square root of 33 over 2. So then x equals -5 halves plus the square root of 33 over 2, or x equals -5 halves minus the square root of 33 over 2. Now we're going to solve. I have 3 examples. The next 3 slides, I'm going to give a problem, then I'm going to demonstrate which methods would work for that problem. Now for this first problem, first we're going to do finding square roots. Now, x squared minus 81 equals 0. X squared equals 81. X equals 9. Now for graphing, y equals x squared minus 81. Y equals 0. Graph. Oh wait, I almost forgot. This would be positive or negative 9. Now, second, calc, intersect, second curve. Okay. On graphing, the intersection points are 9 and and negative 9. Now for the quadratic formula, this can be rewritten as x squared plus 0x minus 81. So x equals negative 0 plus or minus the square root of 0 minus 4 times 81 all over 2. So that would be times negative 81. 4 times negative 81 equals 324. Now, let's see what the square root of 324 is. It's 18. So 0 plus or minus 18 over 2. So it's either negative 18 over 2 or 18 over 2. In other words, 9 or negative 9. Now for factoring, again, you're going to have it rewritten as x squared plus 0x minus 81. Two factors of 81 that add negative 81 that add up to 0 are 9 and negative 9. Set each chunk equal to 0. And again, you come up with negative 9 and 9. Now for completing the square, there's the blank again for 81. Half of 0 times 2 is 0. Simplified, that's x squared equals 81. So x equals 9 or negative 9. Now for this problem, cannot be solved using finding the square root because it's not a perfect square trinomial. However, it can be solved using the other methods. Now I'm going to graph by hand this time. This is finding the x-coordinate of the vertex. Okay. Now, the x-coordinate I have is 4/9, so I'm going to plug that in. 4/9 squared is 16 over 81 plus 32 over 9 minus 4, which really comes out to minus 36 over 9. Wait, never mind, I'm going to just graph this in the calculator. Now this problem cannot be solved using the finding the square roots method because it is not a perfect square trinomial. 8 is not a perfect square number as we have seen in our